Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview thickened inflatable swimming pool. Let's enjoy the water fun in this thickened rectangle above ground pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy this inflatable swimming pool so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. The inflatable baby pool super tough sidewalls. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. Just select a level surface, inflate the pool, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this thickened rectangle above ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. Easy to assemble, no tools. The swimming pool multiple drain holes at the bottom. Walls the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.